Amid the already rising tensions in the Taiwanese region, the US Navy sent a destroyer close to a contested island in the South China Sea that Beijing has fortified with military installations. The sailing came as the Chinese military continued its show of force around Taiwan in response to a brief visit by Taiwan's president to the United States. The guided missile destroyer USS Milius passed within 12 nautical miles of Mischief Reef in the Spratly Islands, a region claimed by Vietnam, Taiwan, and the Philippines. However, Beijing has asserted its claims to the island by building it up and placing military infrastructure on it. The US, on the other hand, contends that such actions are in violation of the Law of the Sea Convention. A spokesperson for the People's Liberation Army's Southern Theater Command said the US destroyer illegally intruded into Chinese waters near Mischief Reef. However, most view the US destroyer's so-called freedom of navigation operation as the defense of the rights for vessels of any nation to operate in the area. It is also important to note that the US warships regularly conduct such operations in the South China Sea, and this was the second in 3 weeks by the Milius. While Beijing claimed the US had violated its sovereignty while undermining peace and stability in the South China Sea, the fleet said that the US will fly, sail, and operate wherever international law allows, regardless of the location of excessive maritime claims and regardless of current events. However, we all know the real reason behind the operations. The US is warning China against aggression as its forces have continued their large-scale military exercises around Taiwan, the self-governing democracy to the north of the South China Sea that China's ruling Communist Party claims as its territory, despite never having ruled it. Beijing had also repeatedly warned against Taiwan's President Tsai Ing-wen's meeting with US House Speaker Kevin McCarthy and had previously threatened to take strong and resolute measures if it went ahead. Thus, the US Navy's show of force in the South China Sea, as well as China's military exercises around Taiwan, show the continued tensions between the two powers and their competition for influence in the region. That's all for today. What do you think of the situation in the South China Sea? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.